The drone starts, then stay on the ground for 2 to 4 seconds before taking off. The purpose for this delay is to capture more data of the takeoff area, which will help to close the loop at the end of the flight. After flying through a couple of corridors and/or rooms, it is a good practice to do a crazy Ivan. This maneuver will help the inspector software to localize itself in a new environment. Helios will then fly through a silo. Since the drone is set on cage-free vision mode, its cage will not be recorded during the flight. At the top of the silo, the drone performs a second crazy Ivan before slowly flying through the manhole. Right after passing the manhole, a third crazy Ivan is performed. The drone then flies quickly around the room. Before passing through a horizontal manhole, it is important to first film around the opening to the manhole. Doing this will help the inspector software to create a denser point cloud. Flying through the manhole, make sure to fly slowly. Right after passing through the manhole, perform another crazy Ivan while looking at the manhole. When possible, try to look around through a manhole before passing through it. This will help to create a denser point cloud. Here you can see that the drone looks a little bit around before passing through the manhole. The drone then flies through the takeoff room and to another room. As you can see, small collisions are not really problematic. The drone flies through the silo, filming in one direction, and does a 180-degree turn once it reaches the top. It is not always necessary, but as the flight is complex and pretty long, the pilot chooses to close the loop over a long distance. This is why the drone flies through the first corridor and room again before coming back and landing at the exact same position as the takeoff. After landing, the pilot will wait 2 to 4 seconds before stopping the propeller to gather more data from the landing position. This will help to close the loop at the end of the flight.